Hey guys, so you wanted a skit? So here it is. I'm Maddie. I'm Gina. I'm Jacob. I'm Leah. I'm Tom. And I'm Scarlett. And you can't forget about Jason. And this is LPS Bird Fights, Episode 1. Mm, mm, mm. 2 minutes later. What time is it? Oh my god, I'm gonna be so late! OMD, what do I wear? Ugh, I can't wear any of this. You know what? Forget it. I'm not wearing anything. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I have to go. I don't want to be late. Bye. Okay, bye. Yeah, totally. I know, right? Yeah, dude, totally.
Dude, that's your girlfriend.
Yeah, thanks for pointing it out, bro.
Well, I'm sorry.
Look at the loser. She's dripping in sweat. Well, it's not my fault. I had to run to school. She's such a loser. I know, right? Maybe if she had a little fashion sense, that would help. I know, right? OMD, I feel like we should go talk to her. I'm not sure. She seems kinda loserish. Yeah, but so are we. Come on, it's not a big deal. We're all losers together. I guess you're right. She's really hot, though. Hot? She's adorable. I think her name's Maddie. Well, I guess we could talk to her later if we have classes with her. Yeah, sounds great to me. Hey. I was just going to say hi to my boyfriend. What are you doing here? I'm just your boyfriend's friend. Whoa. Since when have I been his friend? To be honest, I don't know either, babe. Whatever. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, jeez, that hurt my ear. Would you be quiet? Hey, man. Oh, I don't want to be late to class. I'm going to get to class. Bye, dude. What class do you have? Science. Oh, bummer. I have math. Bye, babe. Bye. Oh, hey. Hey. Are you one of my boyfriend's friends? Yeah, I just noticed that you had math, science, and I do too. Oh, cool. Do you want to walk there together? Um, hello, yoo-hoo, Earth to Leo. Oh, sorry, yeah, we'll walk to class together. Let's go. I have science too. Bummer, I have math. Well, she's going to science. We could become our friend. Yeah, that'd be great. Come on, I'm gonna go to math. You go to science? Yep, gotta go. Bye, Daniela. Bye. Okay, class, to start off today, we will be learning. Whoa, hey, sorry, why are you late, Maddie? I'm sorry, I was using the restroom. That's alright, darling, just try not to be late again. Okay. Where should I sit? This is my chance, I hope she sits with me. Well, wherever there's an open seat. Oh, okay. Hi, I'm Daniela. What's your name? Maddie. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Maddie. I've wanted to talk to you since they said you were coming to this school. It was so exciting that a new person was coming. I'm glad so. 10 minutes later. All right, class. Class is dismissed. Oh my gosh, where is she? We've gotta get revenge. Yeah, I know we do, but how? No worries, I've got the perfect plan. Okay, whatever you say. Oh, she's such a brat. Is that an egg? Yeah, what do you think we're gonna do with it? Alright then. I'll go do it. I want the honors. Hey guys, sorry to bother. What do you want? Oh, I was just bringing this egg for Maddie. I didn't know if she's hungry. Oh, well then thank you in that case. What is she doing to Maddie? She's gonna do something, dude. What is she doing? Well, that's your girlfriend, so. Here's your egg, Maddie. Hilarious. Maddie, are you okay? Jason, I'm fine. I'm fine. Do you want some leftovers, Jason? I don't, but you do. It's kind of funny. That's the spirit. And now you're just gonna cheat on your girlfriend like this? And your boyfriend's right there. Well, at least he's a little meaner. Ugh. I brought you some paper towels. Thanks, Jordan. Jason, sorry. I can't remember anything. Here, let me clean you up.